How to use Meijer Mperks explained. Mperks is Meijer's digital loyalty and coupon program. It allows you to clip digital coupons to apply savings at checkout, earn and redeem points for rewards like fuel discounts, and manage everything within the Meijer app. No physical cards required. How to use Mperks. Download the Meijer app and create an account. You're automatically enrolled in Mperks, and any qualifying offers will be available to clip under your account. Clip digital coupons. Browse the coupon section in the app. Tap clip on offers you like. They will now apply automatically when you shop and scan your Mperks at checkout. Many are one-time use, but some allow multiple uses. For example, $1 off per jar, up to 5 jars in one transactions. Check the terms. Third, earn and redeem rewards. Earn points or fuel rewards as you shop, in-store or online, when your Mperks is used. Redeem your rewards by entering your Mperks ID and PIN at checkout or fuel pump. At checkout, open the app, access your Mperks barcode, and scan it at checkout. Alternatively, enter your Mperks phone number and PIN at the register. This ensures clipped coupons are applied and reward points are earned. For fuel discounts, clip fuel rewards in the app. Before fueling, enter your Mperks ID and PIN at the pump to apply your discount. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.